you lose the election on January 16th, 2027, would you accept the outcome? Yes or no?
No, if it's not fair.
No, if it's not fair.
Yes.
Governor Duke?
Why should I accept something that is wrong? I agree with him. If it's not fair, I will not accept it. Other means I go to the court. I may not go to the court, but personally, I will not accept it.
Governor Obi?
I'll win.
Lawan?
Definitely, if it is free and fair, we will accept. If not, we will not accept.
Governor Amaechi?
There will be no need for the question. We are the most tribalized candidate, if you look at where we're coming from. So we will win. We are not Yoruba, we are not Igbo, we are not Hausa, we are Nigerian candidate.
There is no way we can win if we don't fight. And there's no way we can lose since we are fighters. Yes, we will win. No, we will not accede if it's not free, fair, and credible. Thank you.
Colleagues, please give